Hey, this is Lori, and I just wanted to give you an update on what the inside of the master bedroom suite is starting to look like. We have taken off the sheetrock, taken out all the wiring. We've got new wiring, new plumbing, new sheetrock, new insulation going in. It looks like it's all completely framed up. Be shooting insulation into the walls and the ceilings. I think we went with, I don't know, that's so out of my lane. We went with closed or open cell something, whatever they told us we needed. But anyway, the whole thing was spray foamed, and it sounds like a movie theater in there. The acoustics are fantastic. Got the HVAC put in this week. It looks like they're doing some final work on the skylights and on the master bath and the rest of this. And we will put up sheetrock next week, hopefully. Okay, Monday morning we showed up, and it looks like the crew worked all weekend. We have sheetrock up on the walls and all in the bathroom. They brought in a crew. It looked like there was like 10 or 12 of them. Got it knocked out, and it looks like we pretty soon will be taping and floating and texturing, and then we'll get to painting. It's coming along pretty quick. We're hoping within 30 days. I think this is probably an aggressive schedule, but within 30 days we could possibly move in. Okay, you see that beginning of a rock wall back there? I personally am the one that is laying that rock, and let me tell you about that little darling. I did not nail that 2x4 into studs and just into the drywall, and I got about halfway through, and that whole thing fell down on top of me. So not only did I lose half the tile, broke it all the heck, landed on my toes, and I was on flip-flops. It was just a nightmare. But anyway, we've started painting, and they've actually started putting the ceiling up in the main bedroom sitting area section. And man, that is a labor of love. It took them about 2 weeks to get all those boards up there. Once they got the boards up, we were ready for tile, and we had a great crew that moved in, started back in the bathroom and the closet, and I was able to bring my clothes before they actually finished the whole master suite. But did a great job. I absolutely love it. My husband said, please don't use light grout, so therefore I used light grout, and now with the dogs and all of the traffic in there, gosh, I wish I'd used dark grout. Okay, moving on from that topic, you see that wallpaper on the ground. That is the backdrop to where our headboard is. That gray area that is made out of concrete is actually a planter, which will be above our headboard. That gray cement wall is one I actually did myself. It's an incredible product. Got it off of Amazon, and I can put the link down below, but you just trowel it on. Fantastic product, waterproof. We used it in the shower. We used it as the backsplash in the coffee bar kitchenette area, but I love it, and it's super, super easy to use. But anyway, those ladders that you saw that were on the precipice of falling over, I actually climbed up there and put that mural up myself. Fantastic quality, love it. It is completely full of plants now. You'll get to see that once I show you furnished. But the thing I want you to notice in this is there's a bed, and that was the first time I had laid in the prone position in 9 months. Well, I sure appreciate you watching. We've got several more of these videos of just the master suite that we'd like to show you. We've got so many more individual projects to do within the master suite that haven't been taken care of. In fact, I've waited to do them so I could actually make videos of them so we could show you kind of how the process went of individual projects. So just stay tuned, just keep watching, checking back often. If you would, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of these updates, because there's plenty more to come.